Hi, this is Sabrina with A Space to Create Art, and today we're going to create Paul Klee name tags. So the first thing that you're going to do is get some watercolor pencils or crayons like the ones that I'm showing you right now. You need water. I just use 8.5 by 11 paper, drawing paper, so it's slightly thicker than a copy paper. And then you're going to fold your paper into thirds. The first fold should be roughly about a third of the paper, so if you just line it up with your eye, that'll be fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. So folding the other side now. And then you're going to put your art in the center panel so that you can kind of set it up when it's done. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to use a ruler based on the size of paper that you're using. You want to be able to create different spaces to put your name in. Okay, so I'm going to use a smaller ruler, a wooden ruler. I'm just going to line it up to the edge of my paper and then draw along the bottom of the ruler. And you want to make sure that you're holding the ruler with your non-dominant hand and you hold it firmly in place, okay? And make sure you take your time to line it up to the line you drew before. All right, so now I have basically 3 lines to put my name in. And I'm going to draw my letters first in pencil. And I know this is light, but don't worry, you're going to see it in a minute as soon as I go over it with Sharpie. And you want to touch the top and bottom of the letter to the top and bottom of the lines, and you want it to touch one spot to the letter next to it. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. So see how my S is touching the top line and the bottom line, and then the B is touching the A, and so on and so forth. Now your name can go off the edge because remember what we're doing is we're creating a piece of abstract art using the letters of your name, just like Paul Klee did. Then I'm going to erase all my extra pencil lines. You can leave the horizontal lines so that you have them when you add color, but don't go over it with Sharpie. Okay? Now comes the fun part. You get to add color. And I'm going to use a scrap piece of paper for my palette. And you're just going to use some of the watercolor pencils or crayons and scribble onto the scrap paper. Choose a color scheme that you like. So I'm going to use an analogous color scheme. Okay, so I'm going to scribble with the blue, green, yellow. I'm going to add water to my palette and then just paint the colors. Okay, in a pattern. So I'm going to go green, yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, all the way through each of the spaces in my name. Okay? And when it's done, you're going to stand it up on your desk and make sure you sign your art, and you're done. Hope you guys have fun with this. This is Sabrina from A Space to Create Art.